Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let me introduce myself first. And introduce my name is Raihan Oktarelta, and student ID number 21073072. Well, in this video, I will explain about measuring the voltage on the battery using a multimeter. Here is the video. Enjoy watching. Uh, well, before measuring the voltage on the battery using a multimeter, we first calibrate the multimeter. After calibrating the multimeter, it's time to measure the motor battery voltage. Okay, found the voltage on the battery is 13 voltage. Okay, that's the video of measuring the voltage on the battery. I apologize for those who want to give suggestions. Please send your suggestion in the comments column below. And thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.